December 9th, 2024. This is the moment Luigi Mangione gave police a fake name after allegedly killing UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. It all started with 911 call.
Blair 911, what is the address of your emergency?
It's not really an emergency. I'm a manager at Plank Road McDonald's out here on the Boulevard.
Okay.
And I have a customer here that some other customers were suspicious of, that he looked like the CEO shooter from New York.
Okay.
So they're just really upset, and they're like coming to me, and I was like, well, I can't approach him, you know.
No, of course not. All right, honey, what's your name? Okay. Is this individual still there?
Yes, he's still in the back of our lobby by the bathroom.
Okay.
And I believe he's wearing, let me run back to my security camera. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm trying to sit out and do, like, individual calm days with my managers, and, like, 6 customers walk up to me, and I was like, okay, guys. I was like, I can't really do anything. But he's wearing a black sweater jacket with a medical mask and a tan khaki-colored, like, beanie.
Okay. You said a black jacket?
Uh-huh. A tan beanie.
Okay.
And, like, the blue medical mask.
Okay. And this is the one that they thought that shot the police officer? Or shot the CEO? He shot the CEO. Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. White male?
Yeah. Yeah, well, he has his beanie pulled down, so the only thing you can see is his eyebrows, because I tried to Google it to try to calm them down a little bit.
Uh-huh.
And I'm like, guys, it's kind of hard to tell with his eyes and his eyebrows. I was like, I don't know what to do here, guys.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
And then I tried to call the non-emergency number and it just kept ringing. So I was like,
yeah, they don't always answer that. If they're on another line, they won't answer it. How about, like, height and weight and stuff? Is he taller?
Sitting down.
Okay.
So when I was trying to, like, look into it, he's kind of, like, mid-height. And my registered lady, when I was, like, trying to be non-discreet about it, she's, like, frantic, and she's an older lady, and she's like, I just don't feel comfortable.
Oh, my heavens.
I was like, I
mean, I hope she's wrong, but it does happen, sadly enough. All right, how about weight? Does he look like he's heavy, thin?
He's wearing a big, thick hoodie, so So he kind of just looks like mid-weight.
Okay.
But, like, with the hoodie on, it makes him look heavier because it's obviously cold.
Okay. Does he have a vehicle description, honey?
I don't know.
Okay, that's okay.
Like I said, I'm sitting in the opposite corner of my lobby trying to sit down with my managers to have, like, one-on-one time with them.
Yes.
And everybody's just, like, running up to me. And I'm like, okay, guys. But it looks like he has either a CVS or a Walgreens bag in front of him.
All right, honey, I do have an officer on the way for you. Just keep an eye on him. If he leaves, just give us a call back and let us know, okay?
Alrighty, will do.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, sir. There you go. Yeah, put your mask down real quick for me. Yeah, sure. Appreciate it. Thank you. Okay.
What's your name?
Mark.
What is it?
Mark.
Mark?
Yes, sir.
Mark what?
Rosario.
Rosario? Someone called, they thought you were suspicious.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Thanks. Probably should look like someone, you okay to, you want to run it? 26, 27, 29 out of New Jersey. Romeo 6807 521 07982. Should come back to a Mark Rosiano.
Click here to watch raw CCTV of the Thompson shooting.